is Laura Clark, and I am here to share one really great tip about gaining clarity of your intention and letting it grow. So, for those of you who don't know me, I am founder of the Wise Living Institute, supporting you to hear that inner intuition, that compass that we all have within, so that you can understand it with greater clarity and use it for more courage in your life to manifest all of your dreams. And I want to share this concept with you today about gaining clarity, and it's actually really simple, and in its simplicity, so powerful. All right? So, you have an intention, and it may not seem very clear, it may not seem very loud, but you have an intention for your day, for your week, for your month. Yesterday, in this fan page, I shared what my intention was for the month, and that was to get my calendar in a place where it gave me extra time to step into spring. I'm so looking forward to spring and going out and being about a little bit more. I will have had my second COVID shot, and for our family, that takes us to kind of a new process in this time that we're in. So I'm really excited about that. But I know, as I'm looking forward through my calendar, that I needed to create some space to really step into the enjoyment of that. If you're here live, please say hi. If you're watching the replay, hashtag the replay, because whenever I see that, I'm able just to send out a wonderful, beautiful hello with a little love behind it. So this tip about your intention is don't hold it back. I didn't hold back my intention. I shared that I needed to clear out my calendar a little bit. One of my colleagues, she and I meet for accountability every other week. And in the middle of the day, she said, why don't we move that time so that we can get a little bit clearer? So twice a month, instead of lunchtime, we're going to have early morning coffee together. All right? So that clears it up. The universe allowed that. Another set of meetings got cleared off the calendar. Were they necessary? No. Were they helpful and supportive? Absolutely. But they got cleared off the calendar. Was I a little disappointed? Yeah, my ego self was. There it is. My ego self was. But once I was able to wrap my head around, oh my goodness, this gives me this space to use as the spring equinox comes, right? So I don't know who isn't excited about the spring equinox. I most certainly am. So don't hold yourself back. Right? When you share your intentions, when you allow them to get out there, the universe will start helping co-create them. Share them with yourself first. Share them with your best friend. Share them with a colleague. Share them with your Facebook fans. Share them with your Instagram fans, peeps. Share them through using your throat chakra. That declaration allows you to step into your intention instead of holding back and procrastinating and finding something else to do. That's called clutter. Okay? So just by declaring your intention, you're decluttering your life. Isn't that simple and yet powerful? Oh my goodness. Okay? So declare those intentions, step forward with the light. And here's the second part about that declaring your intention. When you declare your intention, your words start slowly, right? They start slowly. When I started this business 20 years ago, my words around it were very slow, right? Because my intention wasn't where I am today. It was growing. And as I became more passionate with what I do, the intention just grew, and the words come with greater ease now. Right? And I get crystal clear because I'm using my voice to get out anything that doesn't resonate within me. Simple and yet powerful, right? That's why we have mastermind groups. That's why we have spiritual circles, right? because the more we declare things, the more we express things, the clearer our words become to ourselves. When we declare our intentions and use the words behind them in our throat chakra, that energy, the intention becomes clearer for ourselves. So that's what I have to share for you today. And if you are looking at wanting to go deeper into this, next week I'm going to take these tidbits, wrap them all up, and give you a lot more, right? Real deep content into how to declutter so that your intention becomes crystal clear, and then you can use your intuition underneath it to ignite it and send it out into the universe and start co-creating that wish so that it becomes fulfilled. So we are having a decluttering challenge and adventure and masterclass next week. It begins Monday, March 8th. It is my gift to this community as well as the Living Your Truth community. So come in and share this intention. Share this with other like-minded people, right? That is a declaration that you're not only going to register for it, but you're then going to share it because you've declared that you are going to step into this intention setting for yourself. All right? So I hope you have a magnificent Tuesday. I will see you around the block, so to speak. Have a great day, everyone.